Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your PlayStation 5. So just press the PlayStation button and then go on over to Game Base right here. And then right at the top, we can see search for players. All you have to do is search for the person's name. Otherwise, you might see them under played together or players met if you have mutual friends with one of your friends. So we can go up the top and just type in someone's name and just see if something pops up. Let's type this in. And then go on down and see if this is the right person. So we can just select their name now. And then go to where it says add friend right here. And you can add them as a friend on your PlayStation. So once they accept, they need to go to their friends list as well, or it could be under notifications. So if they go to Game Base and then go to this little person icon right here, they should receive a friend request. And once they accept it, they will be on your friends list now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.